Write SQL code, AI can clean data sets, it can even build dashboards. So are data analysts in trouble? In this video, I'll be showing you how smart data analysts are making use of AI to become much more valuable in their place of work and not replaceable. In this video, we'll be talking about what AI is automating, what AI cannot replace, and how you can position yourself safely as a data analyst in 2026. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, in this space, all we do is we discuss about everything data related. And in our today's video, we'll be talking about how smart data analysts are leveraging the use of AI to become much more valuable in their place of work. And at the end of this video, I'll also be dropping a practical strategy guide for you to use as a data analyst in 2026. And I bet you don't want to miss that. All right. So ensure to watch this video till the end and also give a thumbs up if you find this video useful. So with that being said, you know the drill. Let's dive right in. AI tools today can generate SQL queries, write Python script, suggest visualization, and even execute dashboard. That sounds crazy, right? But here's the truth. AI automates execution, not ownership. Companies do not just need someone that can write queries. They need somebody that can understand their business question, understand their data set, and even give them insights after exploring their data set. Okay. So AI is just a tool, but you still remain the analyst. So now let's talk about what smart data analysts are doing differently. One, they use AI as a co-pilot and not a replacement. Okay. Smart analysts draft SQL codes with AI, then they optimize and they validate it. Also, they can ask the AI for alternative approach and use it to speed up documentation. Okay. So a smart analyst don't just do copy and paste blindly, but they verify. Number two is they focus on problem framing. So, like we said earlier, AI can answer questions, but a data analyst define the question better. So instead of saying, give me last month's sales, a smart analyst is going to say, what changed in customers' behavior and why? So you see, this level of thinking cannot just be done by using AI. Smart data analysts are becoming AI literate and not AI engineers, all right? They understand how machine learning work at a high level, model evaluation basics, and also bias and data limitations. So a smart data analyst does not compete with a data engineer, but they collaborate with them. On our number 4 point is smart data analysts double down on communication. So your AI cannot sit in a tense stakeholder meeting and answer questions, do pushbacks and all that. But as a smart data analyst, you are going to improve your storytelling, your presentation skills, and your business communication. So that is a promotion proof skill. So let's look at what AI still cannot replace, okay? So in 2026, AI is still struggling with handling messy, inconsistent data sets, all right? They still find it difficult to understand the context or the specific business rules. We also have ethical judgment, organization politics, and also cross-team collaboration. So real data sets are rarely clean. So you need to prompt your AI to clean your data set. AI is not going to understand the messy data set. Real stakeholders are also rarely clear. So that's where a business analyst or a data analyst is going to shine. So with AI, there are also disadvantages, right? So let's talk about when is AI going to become a threat to data analysts. One, if your only skill is going to be running basic query, like just to run basic query, that is only what you know how to do. You don't know how to verify codes that are gotten from AI to see if they're correct or not, then you are at risk, all right? If you do not understand the business context. You don't understand. For example, you're an healthcare data analyst. You don't understand how to answer healthcare questions, okay? Or you are a sales analyst. You don't understand how to answer sales related business questions. Then you're going to be at risk if you don't know how to communicate your insight. So even if you've been able to use AI to, assist you in gathering your insights, in, getting findings to the questions, if you don't know how to communicate these insights to your stakeholders, is AI still going to help you to do that? So guy, you're going to be at risk as well. And also, if you rely blindly on automation, remember when we're talking about things that a smart data analyst does is they use AI for automation and they are being able to verify. You can go through your code and check if what this chat GPT gave to me or if what Copilot is giving to me, if it is correct. So if you don't have the ability to verify your code or what you are getting from AI, if it is wrong or right, then you are at risk as well. So if you operate like a report generator, AI is going to outperform you, all right? But if you operate like a decision partner, then you're going to become very valuable. So this is very important. I'll be dropping with you a practical strategy for you to use in 2026 to become a smart data analyst. The number one step I recommend for you is learn SQL deeply. All right. You will need SQL to interact with database, to get your data set you'll be using for your data visualization. Like SQL is the bedrock of data analysis. So learn SQL deeply. Also, use AI daily to improve your productivity. There are certain ways you should prompt your AI, all right? When you need some certain information, you don't just go in and say, okay, this give me this and this. There are certain ways you are going to prompt your AI to get your answer in the correct format, all right? And the number three point is always validate AI output. Always at all time. Even when you are writing codes and you get your code, you generate your code using AI, make sure you go through that code and look through it and see if this is what you are supposed to get, if this is what you are trying to get from your code. Okay, so always validate your AI codes at all time. Then the next on my list is improve your storytelling skills. There's one way for you to be able to, analyze data set and get insights from your data set. And there's another thing for you to be able to communicate your findings to your stakeholders and your business owners. So if you don't know how to communicate, then there's going to be this gap between you and your stakeholders. And the fifth point is develop domain expertise. It can be in healthcare, it can be in sales, it can be in logistics, or whatever field that gives you interest. Make sure that you're having a particular specialty where you have domain knowledge regarding that field of study. And the last but not the least is think in terms of business impact and not just creating dashboard. At the end of the day, after creating your dashboard, take a look at it and ask, have my dashboard been able to answer the business question? Has it been able to give solution to the business owner or stakeholders? Have I been able to impact this business positively? So think in terms of business impact and not just creating 2 to 3 page dashboard that don't provide solution to questions. So always remember that data analytical tools change from time to time. Okay, so tools change, but strategic thinkers remain relevant. So AI is not replacing smart analysts, it is replacing passive analysts. The future belongs to analysts who use AI to think critically, answer business questions, and also leverages it. So if this helped you to rethink AI and your career, then like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more data career insight. And also drop in the comment section, do you see AI as a tool or a threat?